Let's make some tall centerpieces. We are starting by unboxing all the cherry blossom branches. These are 46 inches tall and they are the star of the show. Starting with the base of my hydrangeas in the ivory color, we're going to build onto this using the branches to gauge how wide we want each centerpiece to be. We're going to cut the length, and then because it's so tall, I'm starting out by filling the top part, and then I'll move it up to be able to get the rest of the cherry branches filled in. Once that is done, I'm gonna break things up a little bit with the champagne colored hydrangea and the white hydrangea to fill things up so that it makes it look bigger towards the bottom. Then adding some roses, and that is the final look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and this is what it looked like at the event.